This is thermal lCS6000 ion chromatograph. Today we will replace its Eluent generator cartridge with Shine brand. Now the instrument is installation thermal Eluent generator. We will replacement with Shine anion Eluent generator. Firstly, we need to remove the power cable. Then remove the cartridge pipeline. And then we can move out the cartridge. Next step is connection Shine Eluent generator. Connection the pipeline first. This is inlet. This one is outlet. Then put it into the base. Pass through the power cable. Connect an adapter cable. And then connection. The cable to XC1. Push the base forward. Close the door. Replacement completed. Then we can use it on the software. First, turn on the pump. Then set the concentration of the Eluent. Then you can turn on the Eluent generator. It's working normally now.